Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to zip and unzip a file. Let's start with zipping a single file. First, find the file you want to compress on your computer. Once you've located it, simply right-click on the file. From the context menu that appears, hover over Send To, then click on Compressed Zipped Folder. This action will instantly create a new zipped folder containing your selected file in the same directory. Now, if you need to compress several files or even entire folders together, the process is very similar. Begin by selecting all the items you want to include in your zipped archive. You can do this by holding down the Control key and clicking each item, or by dragging a selection box. Once everything is selected, right-click on any one of the chosen items, go to Send To, and then select Compressed Zipped Folder. Unzipping a file is just as straightforward as zipping one. To begin, find the zipped folder you wish to open. Right-click on it, and you'll see an option called Extract All. Click this, and a wizard will guide you through the process. You can choose where you want the extracted files to be saved, or simply use the default location. Once you click Extract, your files will be ready to use. For more control, you can open the zipped folder and drag individual files out to any location. If you frequently work with compressed files, consider third-party software like 7-Zip or WinRAR, which offer more advanced features and compression ratios. They can handle various archive formats beyond standard zip files. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.